British versus American vocabulary. Here are some of the main differences in vocabulary between British and American English. This video is intended as a guide only. Bear in mind that there can be differences in the choice of specific terms depending on dialect and region within both the USA and the UK. Let's get started. British English, American English. Anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Articulated lorry, trailer truck. Autumn, autumn or fall. Barrister, attorney. Bill, restaurant. Bill, check. Biscuit, cookie. Block of flats, apartment building. Bonnet, car. Hood, bonnet, clothing. Hat, boot. Trunk, bottom. Backside. Car park, parking lot. British English, American English. Caravan, trailer. Chemist shop, drugstore, pharmacy. Chest of drawers, dresser. Chest of drawers, bureau. Chips, fries, French fries. Cinema, the. Movies, the. Clothes peg, clothes pin. Coffin, coffin, casket. Crisps, potato chips. Crossroads, intersection. Crossroads, rural. Cupboard, cupboard in kitchen. Closet for clothes and others.